an old boy to his school. The following verses, which we are allowed to print by the courtesy of Sir H.B. Sweet Escott, O.B., were found among the papers of his youngest son, L.W. Sweet Escott, O.B., who was killed in France on September the 25th last. We don't forget while in this dark December you sit in schoolrooms that we know so well, and hear the sounds that keenly we remember, the clock, the hurrying feet, the chapel bell. Others are sitting in the seats we sat in. There's nothing else that's altered there, and then, when leaving it, the same old Greek and Latin, you know we don't forget. We don't forget you in the wintry weather, manning the trenches, training in frozen snow. You play the games we used to play together in days of peace that seemed so long ago. But while you're at it all, your games, your cheering, we other hosts in sterner conflict meet, and other sadder sounds our hearts are hearing. Be sure we don't forget. If we, your brothers true, for all your praying, to this dear school of ours return no more, but lie our country's debt of honour paying, and not in vain, upon the Belgian shore, till that great day when at the throne in heaven the books are opened and the judgment set, our lives for honour and for England given, our school will not forget.